stay home. And guys, it's Dr. Carfora. Please stay home. And this is the reason why. Person comes into an office or into your home, this is what happens. Person sneezes all over the place. There are virons. This is COVID on the floor. She handed her credit card to a person. Notice the COVID on the credit card. Now that person picks up her drink. The COVID is all over the place. She drinks, she touches, and now she spreads it. The next person comes in. I walk in, whether it be outside, whether it be in your home, whether it be at work. When you walk in, now you're stepping on COVID on the floor. Look at my shoe. There's a COVID-19 on my shoe. Now I'm bringing it into my house. Please, you must stay home. Number one, keep your home safe. What you're going to do, you're going to take your shoes off before you get home. You're going to spray your shoes so you don't take this COVID into your house. Okay? Number two, wear a mask and don't go out, because even wearing a mask, as you can see, doesn't protect you so well, because still someone could pick up something, they could step on something, and it goes all over the place. The COVID-19 needs a cell to get into. Remember, it needs your body's cell to get into, which means when this gets into a cell, it goes into a cell and it needs your cell to replicate it. When it goes in, this is a cell, okay? Take this bag. This is what's happening in your cell, okay? The COVID went from her sneezing on the floor to handing a credit card to picking up a soda bottle or picking up a coffee can and then getting into your cell and replicating it. Now, a sneeze is a good thing. So when that client came in and sneezed, it's a good thing, because what a sneeze is, it's a reaction to an immune system. So when you go achoo or you go achoo, that's your immune response to get rid of what just went up your nose and into your airway. The mask is to prevent these things from getting up into your nose and into your airway. But still, you have your hands, you have your clothes, you have the floor, you have surfaces. So please, stay home. Decontaminate your house. All the surfaces in your house should be treated like it has a COVID viron on it. Keep your family safe. Please listen. This organism lives 9 to 14 days on a surface, on a shoe, on a floor, on a surface, on a jacket. I want you all to think about this. Everywhere you go, wipe your surfaces. Please stay safe, and please keep your home safe. Don't forget to take off those shoes or spray them with something to get rid of this COVID. Let's work together on this. It's everyone's responsibility.